So here we have a system that is vulnerable to the Aurora exploit. That's a 0-day Microsoft IE vulnerability. And we're going to just show how it works in Metasploit first. So I'm going to go ahead and set up our exploit, which is a Windows browser one called Aurora. And we're going to set up our listening host, in this case 85.1. We're going to set up our listening port. We'll just use one that's been used in the past. And we're going to set up our payload. Okay. Now we're going to set our URI path, which is the path in the web server that we need to click on. And I'll be cute and put it as bye-bye. We'll go ahead and do our, got to set our service host because there's multiple virtual NICs on this box. I'm going to set it to 85.1 as well. And now we're going to go ahead and set up the exploit. Okay, so that should be started. Now let's switch over to our system, our vulnerable system. Let's go ahead and make our way. Point the browser to this particular exploit. Now watch down in the bottom left under iExplore. So let's see what happens. You got to spell it right. So it hits the server, downloads the GIF. It's expanded. Now we have a connection. Okay. So now let's take a look at that one session that was initiated here with our target. And now we're in. So we can do all kinds of stuff. Let's do a PS to just look at the processes. My favorite, of course, is the shell. And here we have our shell. We can do anything we want. Let's take a peek. IP config, and there's our target. Go back over here. You can see our target is there. So we've owned this system all from the Aurora exploit.